Have you ever pondered why some people can captivate an audience with their words, while others struggle to hold attention for even a few moments? Welcome to our journey today, where we will explore the fascinating world of speaking skills and how to enhance them. In our fast-paced world, effective communication remains a golden key to success. One's ability to articulate thoughts and ideas with precision, confidence, and charisma can open doors to numerous opportunities. But fear not, for becoming an effective speaker is not a gift bestowed upon a chosen few. It's a skill, and like any other skill, it can be learned, honed, and perfected. So let's embark on this journey together. Firstly, the power of practice cannot be understated. The adage, "practice makes perfect," rings true in the realm of speaking skills. Regularly practicing speeches or presentations can help one become familiar with the content, reducing anxiety and boosting confidence. Secondly, one must know their audience. Understanding the audience's background, interests, and expectations can help tailor the speech to resonate with them. It's like a secret weapon, enabling the speaker to engage the audience on a deeper level. Thirdly, effective speakers always keep it simple. The beauty of simplicity is that it can convey complex ideas in an easy-to-understand manner. So avoid jargon and use clear, concise language. Remember, the goal is to communicate, not to confuse. Fourthly, body language plays a crucial role. It can either enhance or undermine the spoken message. Maintaining eye contact, using hand gestures, and adopting a confident posture can significantly enhance the effectiveness of the speech. Lastly, effective speaking is not just about talking, it's also about listening. Listening to feedback and criticism can provide valuable insights for improvement. It's about embracing the journey of continuous learning and improvement. To summarize, enhancing speaking skills involves practicing regularly, understanding the audience, keeping the language simple, using effective body language, and embracing feedback. It's a journey that requires consistent effort and continuous learning. Remember, effective speaking skills can open doors to opportunities and success. So embark on this journey today and unlock your potential to captivate, inspire, and lead with your words. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop improving.